What's up guys, my name is Terrell and I've got the Blizzard ankle zip here and it's from Propet. This shoe has a waterproof leather and synthetic upper. It's also got a zipper closure for a quick and easy on and off and a padded collar to provide additional extra comfort. It's got a nice external and internal heel counter and a molded EVA midsole that's going to give you tons of cushion with every step, especially in your heel. And then around to the bottom we've got a nice and durable rubber that's going to give you plenty of tread and shock absorption. When you're walking through the snow in a blizzard, it's going to be the perfect boot for you. It's going to keep you nice and protected. Pick them up today. It's from Propet.